Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Omkar Ki Pukar. So let's start with the show. So over here, you are saying as the daily chart of Nifty, we can see that prices are currently sustaining well around the level of 17,328, which earlier was acting as a support for the prices, which was nothing but the gap which was created on the 18th of October 2022 over here. So prices have just shown a bounce to the upside from that gap level, and which on the intraday charts, if you'll have a look, the 17,770 mark was acting as a strong resistance for the prices. So currently we are approaching above that level. So the view is pretty much clear now. If the level of 17,770 is taken on the higher side, like prices at least sustaining for end of the day, we can expect that this up move can be continued till the level of 18,000, which is nothing but the psychological barrier for the Nifty to move much more higher level. So going ahead, once the level of 17,770 is taken out, we can expect that the trend can be stretched till the level of 18,000 mark. Quickly coming to Bank Nifty. So same thing with the Bank Nifty. So the level of 40,800, which we had mentioned yesterday, that level was acting as a strong resistance for the prices, and now we are actually sustaining well above that level. Over here, if you'll have a look, we got to see a good breakout out of the hammer pattern, and which eventually the prices has also given a confirmation, and that was found around a very crucial support of 40,800 mark. So going ahead, this up move can continue till the level of 41,855 if we get to see prices sustaining above the level of 41,280, which was the high of the 10-15, the first initial hour candles high. So the trend looks here to be quite positive, and prices are attempting to move higher. So going next, so the stock which we have found is Cholafin. So if you will have a look over here, so prices 3 trading sessions ago had given a good breakout of the bearish trend line. That breakout was actually followed by a gap. That gap was again accompanied by a higher volume participation. So over here we can consider that this gap can be as a breakaway gap, and this actually appears in the beginning of trend, and the stock is actually trading around its 52-week high. So it also tells that the stock is already in a strong momentum, while for the confirmation the RSI also is quoting around the level of 70, which is again a mark that the momentum is quite on the higher side. So going further, the low of the current day, which is around the level of 764, will be a stop loss for this trade. While moving on the higher side, the mark of 817 would be our target level. So that would be the second target, and on the higher side, the level of 800 would be our first target. So in a nutshell, going ahead, the stocks looks quite on a positive side. The 800 mark would be our first target, followed by 817. While on the downside, the low of the current day, which is the level of 764, would be our stop loss. So that's it from our side. Hope you like this video. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the Bills YouTube channel. Thank